Hello everyone. In this video we're gonna take a look at how to create a basic canyon scene in Houdini. More exactly, we're gonna see how can we do terracing, water, and scatter some basic elements. I have a few objects that I'm gonna scatter: a rock, a tree, and a bush. So let's start with a basic height field so that we have something to build on. Next, let's add some height field noise to displace the grid. Set the combine method to maximum to keep it above the initial grid. You can see if I keep the combine method to add, it goes below the surface. For terracing, use a height field terrace node. Compute the range and adjust the max step size for the terracing steps. Add another terrace node for variation. Clear any existing mask with a height field mask clear node. Then use a height field mask by feature node to create a water mask. After computing the range, specify where you want the water to be. Copy this water mask using a height field copy layer and rename it to water. Clear the mask again, but since we renamed it, the water mask is retained. I add a slight erosion by running a height field erosion node for just 3 frames to give it a bit of texture without drastic changes. Next, I want to scatter some rocks in the water. To do this, I create a height field mask noise and add some noise to the water mask, specifying where the rocks should be scattered. For the actual scattering, I use a height field scatter node. The terrain goes into the first input, the mask into the second, and the object to scatter into the third. Key settings here are coverage to set the scatter amount, range to specify the scale, and randomize yaw to randomize rotation. Next, I scatter some trees. I create a mask based on slope, as trees don't grow on steep areas, and add a curvature mask for variation. For bushes, I create another mask, avoiding steep areas and adding mask noise for variation. Finally, I scatter smaller rocks across all areas, not just the water. These are the main steps to create a canyon scene. From here you can export the scene and create a basic texture in any texturing app you want. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.